So now that I have my tea, let's get this show rolling, girl. Welcome to the very first episode of the Rambling Teapot, the official podcast channel of Don't Call Me Princess, footwear for the boss babes. In every episode henceforth, you will join me and some gorgeous guests, and we will take you on this journey where we will ramble on about the things we deal in everyday life. From being slut-shamed to being man-slamed, we have it all, don't we? And we are going to discuss the same. Today, we are going to dissect something very spicy. I'm still speaking, guys. Yeah, so as I was saying, and as you can hear it, basically we are going to talk about morning affirmations. I personally just love a good dose of morning affirmation, but some people have some other thoughts about it. Do you want to know more? What we are going to discuss today is super relevant in today's post-pandemic times. Now that we are online all the time, working from home all the time, and resharing morning affirmations all the time. But do you really think they work? I do, yeah. And to discuss the same and dissect this tricky topic of morning affirmations, I have someone super gorgeous, amazingly sassy, and beautiful, my dear friend, Bhagyashree. Yay!
Say yay.
Somebody say yay. Oh, wait, I think I missed it. I need to add this because I have been told.
Don't forget the order.
Of course, I will remember the order. I have been told that I need to introduce her with this. Okay, so welcome beautiful Bhagyashree, who loves dogs, men, and colorful socks in this exact same order. I don't know why this is relevant, but we are doing this. She's my guest. Yeah. Hi, Bhagyashree.
You're going to be nice to me today.
Yeah, I'm going to be nice. Yeah, I can't promise it, but I'll try. You know.
Okay.
Yeah. So hi.
Can I have my chai, please?
You don't have one? Oh my God! What is this production?
What's the name?
Yeah, the Rambling Teapot.
Oh yeah.
Oh, see, I have my intern serving tea. We don't do this to our intern. We don't. Rama, come back and say that you love working here.
I love working in DCMP.
Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely. See, we don't do this to our intern. No. So now that you have your tea, Bhagyashree, what do you think about this, what we are going to discuss today? Like morning affirmations.
Let me act a bit that I'm thinking about it.
Okay.
So let me act.
We are acting
smart.
out. Yeah. Okay, we are taking a pause. We are taking a tea
I'm
pause.
just trying to be all smart and stuff. Okay, what's it? What did you ask, sorry?
I need to repeat this. Okay, so basically we
Good
are...
morning.
Good morning. Good morning again. It's a Sunday and we are shooting. That's what we do for content, you know. So you better follow us on Spotify and also go and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because our expressions, our audio listeners, you're gonna miss them. You're gonna love them. You know, so subscribe to our YouTube channel, Don't Call Me Princess Official. Okay, coming back after all the propaganda out there. Yeah, so we wanted to discuss and ask that, what do you think about these morning affirmations that are trending all over the internet these days?
See, morning affirmations. Actually, I can't pronounce this. How do I say it? First, tell me that.
It's called affirmations.
With like fake accent.
Yeah, you
Affirm.
can, but
Yeah.
that's my accent. I'm not faking it.
I'm faking it.
Okay,
Am I allowed to?
fine. Yeah, yes. Cheers to that. Yeah.
So, morning affirmations, I think they do work for 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Drinking tea with her is not the right thing to do because you'll gag. But yeah.
Yeah, I think it also depends on every individual. So, like for me, they don't work.
Okay.
I try to like, today I'm positive, I'm gonna like,
Yes,
queen. And in fact, I see your post, you post like today's morning affirmation is this and that, and I try to feel good. But the next story I go, it's done. You get it? So now like you were, thrown with so many morning affirmations,
It
doesn't work.
Yeah.
And for me, I get like I'm a photographer.
Yeah.
So visually, my visual medium has to be very powerful.
Right.
So when I'm, let's say, coming from home to office.
Yeah.
Yeah, you okay?
Yeah, absolutely. Trying to adjust the mic. This is our first episode, so please
Oh, I thought
ignore
just
it.
my aura.
No. Okay. Yeah, the aura. Yeah.
So like when I'm coming from home to office,
Mhm.
the things that I see on my way,
Yeah.
that really motivate me.
Okay.
Yeah. So
That's
like,
interesting. Yeah.
every day, and that actually drives my day.
Okay.
If I see a cute dog just looking at me,
Aww.
trust me, like the smallest things,
Yeah.
like a hot
Yeah.
man too.
Oh yeah.
So that would also
Do you
help.
see them like
Things?
No, hot man. I meant
In
hot
Surat?
man. Yeah.
Oh, I have to stay here, so I have to say yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Hot man and woo. Yeah.
So one day, this reminds me, like one day, bridge पे से आ रहे थे,
Okay.
and then I saw two kids, and we were in traffic, like everybody's honking, so stressed and stuff, and I'm like, the two kids were walking like a street child,
Yeah.
and they were so happy, they were dancing. हम इधर से जा रहे हैं, look at the contrast, okay?
Yeah.
We all are going this side in our cars, vehicles and everything.
Yeah.
We have everything.
Yeah.
Those kids were walking from there.
Mhm.
They were dancing, chilling. They don't have anything.
Yeah.
And they were so happy, the smiles.
Yeah.
And look at us, like we have like full good. We are in car. I don't have car, but we are in car.
I don't have a car.
We're in car and we are still like this, you know, happiness. It's
Yeah.
not there.
Yeah.
But when I
Yeah.
saw that, I'm like, bro, क्या चाहिए life में यार?
And now that just I think it just made me rethink the whole discourse. You know, like because we were discussing about morning affirmations and is it like a politics to keep the genders divided? But when you say this makes me feel more like also rather like morning affirmations are very privileged, don't you think? Like we are already in a privileged place, say for instance,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
yet
yeah.
we need somebody dancing and be like, hey, what bitch? You know, like
Why you need someone to tell you every day
Right.
you're privileged, but उसके ऊपर भी तुम्हें और खुशियाँ.
Yeah.
You get it? It's
Yeah.
very, and also when talking about gender roles, I don't think so.
Mhm.
They're specifically for women.
Yeah.
At least not this.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
it just depends on person to person how you
Right.
take it.
Right.
I might say one code which would work for me.
Yeah.
Not
yeah.
necessarily that thing would work. So
Yeah.
I don't think so that goes, you know, leading women, anything politics.
Yeah.
It's just a good content creation bullshit.
Good content creation bullshit.
Yeah.
I'm not very sure she's pro or like absolutely against this, but
That's what I'm telling you. It's very moody, bro. And when
Yeah.
you're talking about pandemic,
yeah.
you know, every day is not same, right?
Yeah, it's not.
So one day I would need a lot of morning affirmation where I
Yeah.
would actually feel good, pumped
Right,
up to work.
right, right.
Sometimes I'm like, क्या है ये बंद करो ये.
Yeah, I know.
So it's not specific.
Yeah.
You know, we can't be like pro or con, like, you know, against this.
Yes, right.
It just depends on day. to
Your
day.
mood.
Depends. Yeah, everything depends on your mood, how you take it.
Right, right.
Isn't that even if your like problems or how you get up?
Mhm.
Isn't that drives your day?
Yeah, yeah. Very, very true, very true. But somehow, you know, like as far as we see all these videos on, you know, internet, what we notice is that like you said, that, you know, I don't think it's gendered, but my thing is that I don't see anyone coming and be like, you know, hey, so most of these morning affirmations start with like, hey bitch, or like, hey queen,
Hey,
you know.
beautiful.
Yeah, so,
Yeah.
but we don't hear like, hey handsome, you know, or like, hey king, or hey bastard. Oh, sorry. So, it's not happening, right?
There are
Like,
a lot of beefs in this
yeah,
episode,
yeah.
I think.
I mean, we don't hear it. Like, what are we supposed to tell man? Like, हमको कहते Superman कर लो on handy cam. फिर क्या था? 1 a.m. 2 p.m.
Oh, that's okay.
That's
I thought
a
it's
song,
like
like-
Superman.
Salman ka fan.
I thought it's that song.
Oh, this is from that Akshay Kumar.
Arjun.
This is the
Okay.
okay, all right.
Anyway, we here.
Yeah, but what I see that even like songs which is to motivate men are so about their sexual power. Yeah, but we are not actually talking about that when it comes to women. We are like, babe, go work, because we just want to send her to work. What will be like I don't even know if there's a female version of a Casanova. Is there? Like, what do you call a female version of a
slut?
Yeah, that's exactly the point.
That's how we differentiate. You know, when men are doing it.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's like
it's
man,
you go, bro.
When
Yeah.
like a woman, it's just we put her.
Hi, hi, क्या कर रही है?
क्या कर रही है
Hi.
लड़की?
Oh my god, yeah, right, yeah. Do you have a favorite person, like a content creator who does great morning affirmations?
Yeah, it's me. I love my content.
I like her content too.
I should love it.
Yeah, I love it. Yeah, as she's making me say it, yeah, I love it too. Yesterday I saw her dancing to Dil Ye Bechain Hai, and it was so random. And I was like, I went back again. I think this is her tactics, you know. She just wants me to go back again and see what the hell was this, so that she gets more views. Is that what you're doing? Because I didn't understand that.
That's my job.
Oh, right. But honestly, Bhagashri, this was great talking with you about
Oh,
morning
is it done
affirmation.
already? No, I have to talk more.
We have another segment, don't worry about it, you know, like we have another segment, but yeah. So tell me, Bhagashri, what would be that one affirmation that really motivates you and you would want to share with our listeners and also the video watchers or whatever, you know, what would that be?
Not exactly in this tone.
Okay.
But that sounds
So
different.
I'm not even sure what you did there. Did you orgasm
I
over the tea?
with men?
No, with the
No, not allowed.
Yeah,
right?
okay.
Okay. So it's what I did, guys. It's like breathe. It was
Also,
like
we were
breathe.
breathing. Okay, we're breathing.
Yeah, that's breathing, yeah, bro.
Okay, I'm trying to breathe with you. Let's do
Okay.
like Anulom Vilom. Like,
No, can we do like 1, 2, 3 and do it?
alright, okay, 1, 2, and 3. I did it wrong. But
So, I think
nevertheless, yeah, I get the point.
that works because we are just so like we have a to-do list every day.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think to start your day with like just calm down. and,
Yeah,
like, let's
yeah.
get with it.
Yeah,
With
yeah.
good energy, but
True,
like
very
just
true.
like
Yeah.
breathe and starting because we forget to breathe.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the thing. That's why I go to morning affirmation.
I'm such a sad person. I don't have such spiritual and like calm.
I am.
I just don't. I just put on like Britney and I'm like, work, bitch. You wanna bugatti? You wanna work, bitch? But yeah, but that's another way of starting. So if you are not as eccentric as me, so you can definitely just breathe. You know. This brings us to the end of the segment, but not the end of the podcast. So stay tuned. So we are at this final segment of the podcast.
No, I
Bhagashri.
don't want this to end.
But we have.
I love you.
I love you too.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah, I do. I genuinely do. So we are in this final segment, and I can't help but notice that we are twinning.
You're copying me. That's not winning.
I'm not.
yeah.
Yeah, but I love the way you have paired our midge heels, the sexy red and black midge heels with your yellow socks.
I love them, right? They
Yeah,
look so good.
yeah, they do. They look superb, and I like the fact that even our eyeliner is matching.
No, mine is green. Yours is some weird blue. Mine is better.
I am colorblind. Anyway, hers is better as she has said. And again, if you are missing this, you need to go and subscribe to our YouTube channel, you know. Okay, so we are at the final part of the podcast. And this segment is called Spill the Tea.
Woohoo!
Please don't spill it because this set
There's
belongs
nothing, guys.
to a friend.
Scam it, bro. It's
Don't. So in Spill the Tea, what we basically do is we like to put our beautiful guests, yeah, again clap for Bhagashri, beautiful guests on the spotlight. Okay, we basically ask you some random questions on the spot so that you get all awkward
Ah, you baby.
and ramble more.
Okay.
Okay, so should we start it?
Let's go for it.
Okay, where's my diary? Like, I need this. Okay, so my
Yeah.
turn is back again. Rama, say you love DCMP again.
I love DCMP.
Yeah, alright.
Oh, shit, yeah. She's cute.
Yeah, she's very cute. She's super cute. She studies in HR college, and she
Oh, have you seen the college, bro?
Not yet.
she has not seen the college for a
I'm
year
from,
now.
I'm from Wilson. I have been there for 5 years in Bombay.
It's okay.
Just so that you feel bad.
It's okay, you're still in Surat right now. Yeah.
Yeah, so
okay.
let's-
We all are in
let's
Surat. So Rama, give me the diary. Thank you. So we'll start now. All right. Okay. So are you ready, Bhavish?
Yes.
So I'm gonna throw in some random words. I need you to tell me what comes to your mind first.
Okay.
The first thing that comes to your mind. Cool? Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, number 1. Casanova.
Ranveer Singh?
Oh my god.
Oh, I know, right?
We need to take a moment now. Ranveer Singh.
And many moments.
Many moments, yeah. I love Deepika also.
Who is she?
So
Sorry, I'm still stuck at it.
Right. Okay. All right. So don't call me princess.
Sassy, loud.
Yeah, we are very loud, as you can see. You know, like I'm here. Yeah, I'm not ignoring my audio listeners. We love you.
We love you guys.
Yeah, we love you. Yeah, do subscribe. Also, you don't say subscribe. What do you say for Spotify? Follow us on Spotify, guys. Yeah. All right. Mornings.
Sexy dance. That's just a weird me. I wanted to dance and like,
I would rather say
Sex.
sex.
but not yet. Lot of work.
I have a husband, so.
Sure.
Yeah, I do have a husband.
Okay.
We would rather say I have a partner.
Okay.
We are not like the typical husband. Why are we discussing this? Anyway, success.
Success.
Mm-hmm.
Sex.
Are we stuck on sex?
Yeah. Just still my mind is there.
Okay. Are you
Why did you brought it up?
Okay, so we'll just move to the next question. Maybe rate the following things in ascending order.
Ascending. Or my maths is too bad. Sorry, I don't know this. Can you like?
What is of like least importance first?
Okay.
And then like the most importance
Okay.
last. Okay. Love, marriage, passion, money, fame.
Marriage. Take it out of the options.
Okay.
That will
Fuck
become-
marriage. Like, let's kick it.
I'm happy for you. but
Yeah.
Take it out.
Yeah. Okay.
Sorry. What are the options?
She just heard marriage. Okay. So love, marriage, passion, money, fame.
Passion.
Mm-hmm.
Love.
Mm-hmm.
Money.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, fame. Money together.
Yeah. Okay.
And that's it. Whatever.
And marriage, you just kicked it out.
It's not in the list, guys.
Somebody give me money, okay? I want money on top. Oh no, we did it ulta. I think we just got confused.
What should we?
Oh shit, we got confused. We're
No,
not
we
meant to
didn't.
this.
Oh,
I'm sorry,
okay,
Karan.
okay.
I'm just being a very bad person. Like, I can't copy coffee with Karan. Am I supposed to look into this camera or that camera? Like, I'm not sure. But it's okay, you know. This is our first time, guys, so deal with us. Yeah. Okay, so your favorite morning affirmation, we know it. But do you have anything else? Okay, wait.
No, that's like thing.
Oh, that's the thing?
Morning affirmation, breathe, and sexy dance.
Breathe
That's
and
how I
sexy
started,
dance.
Yeah.
Okay, do you have a favorite motivational song?
Motivational song. Yes, I do have.
Sing it!
It's right.
Sing it!
Arambh hai prachand hai. Do you know this song? It's a very that's my
I know the song. I know the song, yeah.
That's like gets my vibe. It's like
Really?
Yudh pe chala hai tu darang darang. I don't know the lyrics. It
Yeah,
just
but the
has that-
feel.
It just has a feel that I'm going on a war.
Yeah,
And that thing.
yeah, but that's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah, something else
Do you
to
know
add to
the
your
song?
playlist. I heard it.
Listen to it.
Yeah, okay, I'll do that. That was awesome, Bhagishri. We had lots and lots of fun with you, but I don't have any coffee hampers to give you out.
No, I'm good
Okay,
with this channel.
only the Karan Johar vibe from me, and
Yeah.
again, like, we just love Karan Johar, so you know, this entire segment is inspired by him, so.
But was I good?
Oh, you were great.
Yeah.
But you still don't get any coffee hampers or chai hampers. So this had been super fun. Yes, Bhagishri, right?
Sexy too.
So we had a lot of fun and we did talk about what we actually, although we talked about a lot of things, I actually lost track of my time and what was I talking about?
I don't know. I don't remember the topic too, bro.
Okay, so basically we talked about morning affirmations and we came to some insights. I might not agree fully with her, she might not agree fully with me, but we did talk.
We get on one thing, then you need to
Breathe. And have sex. That too, right?
Yeah.
Cool. So this brings us to the end of this podcast, and now we are going to do something crazy. So for our audio listeners, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, you need to go and subscribe to Don't Call Me Princess Official. So can we have some music, please?
Good girl, Ready to hit a party. Can't in the club tryna play the rules. They hope I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss.